Welcome to our channel. Power on the Cinamon repeater. Plug the Cinamon Wi-Fi repeater into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait for the power light to turn on and become stable, indicating it's ready for setup. Observe the LED indicators carefully. Check if the signal or Wi-Fi LEDs are blinking or steady. These lights give you information about the repeater's current status. Refer to the user manual if you're unsure what they mean. Connect your mobile or laptop to the repeater. On your phone or computer, go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the repeater's default Wi-Fi network, usually named something like Cinamon_XXXX. Open the setup page in a browser, launch any web browser like Chrome or Safari and enter 192.168.10.1 or re-rockspace.local in the address bar to access the configuration page. Log into the admin panel using default credentials. Use the default username and password to log in, commonly both are admin. This will take you into the repeater's control dashboard. Choose repeater or range extender mode. On the setup page, select the option for repeater mode or Wi-Fi range extender to start connecting it with your existing router. Scan and select your home Wi-Fi network. The repeater will now search for all nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your main home router's network from the list shown on the screen. Enter the password of your main Wi-Fi network. Carefully type in the correct Wi-Fi password for your existing router so the repeater can connect to it securely. Save the settings and reboot the device. Click on Save or Apply to confirm the setup. The repeater will automatically restart and connect to your router's signal. Relocate the repeater for better coverage. Once paired successfully, unplug the repeater and move it to a spot midway between your router and the area with weak signal, ensuring stronger and wider Wi-Fi coverage. Thank you for watching.